This is the hospital patient monitoring system. We should initialize this counter for total patient and status categories. And defines a function to check patient status based on temperature, heart rate, and blood pressure. This while true starts an infinite loop to keep checking patient until the user stops. It asks the user for patient data and vital signs. And this determines the patient status using the check status function. This. And updates the counter based on the patient status. And this area prints the patient's details and status. It also asks the user if they want to check if another patient and converts input to lowercase. If yes, then if the choice is yes, then it displays needs attention, then needs attention count, then critical count in space, then displays also hospital patient monitoring system string, and continue the loop. If else, if not yes, then it breaks the loop, the while true loop. Then after exiting the loop, prints the summary report with totals for all patient and status categories. Then it prints thank you for the using the hospital monitoring system.